Good afternoon, viewers. This is the third video on logarithm. And so if you didn't check out our first two videos on logarithm, you can go to the link on the description. So let's continue to our video. Here is our first question, and this question is from JEE Mains 2025. So in this question, we have to find the product of solution. And the product of solution means in an equation, solution means the values of the variable, unknown variable. So here the unknown variable is x, so we have to find the values of x, possible values of x, and we have to find the product of that value. So first, let's solve this equation to find this x. So this equation can be written as e to the power 5 this is equal to, this can be written as e to the power log x to the power 8 base e. Here this is e, and also base of log is e, so this term can be cancelled out and we will get x to the power 8. So we can write x to the power 8 in this form. Then this can be written as 5 and this can be written as, here the power is 8, so this can be written as a coefficient. So this 8 log x to the base e, right? Then here we have two similar terms. This one, log x to the base e, log x to the base e. So for our convenience, we can put this as 5 t square, and this term also t, then this is minus 8 t plus 3, this is equal to 0, right? Then splitting middle term, by using splitting middle term, we can write this as 5t minus 3 and t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? From here, we get the values of t as 1 or 3 by 5. We get the values of t in two ways, 1 or 3 by 5. So t means, for our calculation, t means log x to the base e, and if this is equal to 1, if this is equal to 1, then the values of x will be, the values of x will be e. This is our first solution. And here, if t is equal to 3 by 5, if t is equal to 3 by 5, then t means log x to the base e, and this is equal to 3 by 5. It means x is equal to e to the power 3 by 5. So we get two solutions, x is equal to e and x is equal to e to the power 3 by 5. We get two values of x. So, and now we have to find out the product of these values of x. So e, one solution e, and another solution is e to the power 3 by 5. E into e to the power 3 by 5. And this is e to the power 8 by 5. And from the option, this is option number D. So for this question, option number D is the correct option. Now, this question is from MPSC 2025, the Meghalaya Public Service Commission, and also this question has been asked in NDA 2015. So here in these questions, we have to find the values of m here. So first is, this is an addition form. The two log are in addition form, so this can be reduced in the product form. So log base side, combining these two, this is m or 1 by 6, and this is equal to 2 by 3. So here, again, this can be written as m by 6 is equal to 8 to the power 2 by 3. The previous formula, this one, log a to the base b is equal to x. Then this can be written as b to the power x is equal to a. We are using these properties of log, And from here, this is m by 6 is equal to 8 means 2 cube. 2 by 3 cancelling this 3. Here we get m is equal to 6 into 2 square. 2 square is 4 and this is 24. So m is equal to 24 and m is equal to 24 is in option number A. So the correct option for this question is option number A. And again, there is another question from MPSC 2025. And here we have to find the values of this log. So here it is 512 and the 512 is 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512. So this can be written as log 2, log 3 into, right here again, this can be written as log 2, log 3. And here this power can be put as an coefficient. So this is log 2. And here, same base and the argument. So this term will be 1. So we get log 2 to log base 3. And this is 9. And 9 can be written as 3 squared. And again, this 2 is in power. This can be written as an coefficient. So this is log 2 and this is 2. This is log 3 to the base 3. Here, same argument and the same base. So this term will be 1 and this term will also be 1. So the result is 1. So 1 is in option number B. So the correct option for this question is option number B, 1. Again, this question is from CAT 2024. And in this question, we have to find the greatest integer values of x. The greatest integer values of x. So first, let's find out the values of x. So this equation can be written as 4 log x to the base 10 plus 4 log x to the base 100 is 10 square plus 8 log x to the base 10 cube is equal to 13. Here this can be written as 4 log x to the base 10 plus this is 4. And here the argument x, power of this argument x is 1 and power of this base 10 is 2. So we can write it as 1 by 2. And here this is log x to the base 10 plus similarly here also this is 8 into 1 by 3 and this is log x to the base 10 and this is equal to 13. So we can take log as a common. We get 4 plus 2 plus 8 by 3 or log x to the base 10 and this is equal to 13. So this term is, adding this term, we get this is 26 by 3 and this is log x to the base 10 is equal to 13. From here, log x to the base 10 is 3 by 2. And here x can be written as, from here x can be written as 10 to the power 32, 3 by 2. 10 to the power 3 by 2. Here the values of x is 10 to the power 3 by 2. And to find out this 10 to the power 3 by 2, we have two ways. The first one is you can find out 10 cube and then you can take root over like this, or first you can find out root over 10 and you can cubing it, you will get answer. But in the exam you can use the on-screen calculator for this. So 10 to the power 3 by 2 is 31.62. And in the question we have to find the integer values of x, the greatest integer values of x. So here the greatest integer part is this 31. So the answer for this question is x is equal to 31. So x is equal to 31 is the answer of this question. Again, this question is from CAT 2024. And in this question, we have to find the greatest integer values of a. So first, in the given equation, the first term is log a plus b to the base, right, by log c to the base 2. This first term can be expressed as, here, this base height is 2 cubed, so we can write as 1 by 3 log a plus b to the base 2, and this is log c to the base 2. And this can be written as log a plus b to the base c, here, 1 by 3. The first term is equal to 1 by 3 log a plus b to the base c. So, and the second term is log base 27 a minus b by log c to the base 3. And also this can be written as 1 by 3 log a minus b to the base c. So from the given equation, we can put this value in the given equation, and we get 1 by 3 this is log c a plus b, log a plus b to the base c, plus log a minus b to the base c, and this is equal to 2 by 3. Here the expression is in addition form, so we can reduce this in a product form. So after reducing in product form, we get 1 by 3 log c a plus b a minus b. This is equal to 2 by 3. Here both sides, the denominator is 3, so we can cancel this 3. So this is equal to 2. So then we can write, this is a plus b, a minus b. So this can be written as a square minus b square. This term can be written as a square minus b square. And applying the properties of log, we get c square is equal to a square minus b square. C square is equal to a square minus b square. And from here, a square is equal to c square plus b square. That is b square plus c square. But in the questions, the greatest possible values of b is 10, and the greatest possible values of c is also 10. So this a square must be less than or equal to 10 square plus 10 square, and this is 200. So this a square must be less than or equal to 200. This square can be written as root over. So a must be less than root over 200. So a must be less than 200. So to find this square root of 200, you can use the on-screen calculator. So root over 200 is, this is 14.14. 14.14. And in the question, we are asking the greatest possible integer values of a. So here the integer value is 14. So a must be less than or equal to 14. So the answer for this question is 14. Again, this question is from CAT 2024. And in these questions, we have to find out the sum of possible values of x that will satisfy this equation. So first, let's find out the possible values of x. There it is 10x, and here 10 to the power x, 10 to the power x. So we can write 10 to the power x as t, so that we can write this equation in the form as t plus 4 by t is equal to 17 by 2, right? And this can be written as twice t square minus 17t plus, right? This is equal to 0. Yeah. This is twice t minus 1. And this is t minus 8. This is equal to 0. From here, we get the values of t as 1 by 2 and the values of t as 8. The values of t as 1 by 2 or 8. So t is 10 to the power x in our question. 1 by 2. And t is equal to 10 to the power x. This is equal to 8. Right. But all the options are in the form of log. So we can convert this using a properties of log. We have a property of log as log a to the base b is equal to x, and this can be written as b to the power x is equal to a. Right. So using log, we can write this as log 1 by 2 to the base 10 is equal to x. We get one values of x, and another values of x is log here 8. 8 is 2 cube. So log 2 cube to the base 10. This is equal to x. So we get two different values of x. So to get the answer, we have to sum these two values of x. So the first one is log 1 by 2 to the base 10. And here, this can be written as plus 3 log 2 to the base 10, right? Here it is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 can be written as 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1, and 2 to the power minus 1. So we can write minus in the coefficient, and this is log base 10 here 2 plus 2 to the base 10, right? So this is 2 log 2 to the base 10. So the correct answer is 2 log 2 to the base 10, and it is in option number A. So the correct option for this question is 2 log 2 to the base 10, which is option number A. So guys, this is all about today's video. And if you didn't watch our previous video, please go through the link on our descriptions. So thank you.